How to buy gift card on SHEIN app. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you on how you can buy gift card on SHEIN app. For this, launch open the SHEIN app on your device. Make sure to sign into your account. Now tap on the Me icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. From here, you want to tap on the gift card option. You are going to find the best sellers over here. So you simply want to scroll down and find the gift card that you want to purchase. So let's say that this is the gift card. Tap it open. Now you get to choose the designs over here. Go ahead and pick whichever design that you want. So if it is for a birthday, select this one. If it is for a holiday, you can select this. So customize it as you want. Next thing you want to do is select the amount. You have $80, $500, $100, $200, and $300. Go ahead and select your amount. Sometimes there might also be an offer. So here, as you can see, in $500, you have $40 off. So you can take advantage of these offers as well. Now, the next thing you want to do is enter the recipient email address. After that, enter your name on the from box. Now, you can add in a message over here for the recipient. Now, tap on the circle that says, by placing this order, you agree to the terms and conditions. Then you want to tap on the checkout option. Now, it's going to ask you for confirmation. Go ahead and tap on the confirm option. Now, you will have to select your payment method. For that, you can select it from here. So if you want credit or debit card, you will have to enter those details. After this, tap on the place order option over here. Now, you want to enter the card number, expiration date, and CVV number. The order for your gift card will be successfully placed. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.